Hey guys, it's Elizabeth here from Neverland Creative, and today I'm going to be going over how I'm doing my 2017 Project Life album. I actually started my Project Life album for 2017 in January, and I kept up with it for about 2 weeks before I got behind, and I just never really caught up. I stayed with those 2 weeks and then I tried other forms of memory keeping, none of which really worked. And now I am going to try my best to get done all of 2017, probably by June of 2018. So I'm continuously working on my 2018 Project Life, and I'm hoping to also completely do my album for 2017 at the same time. So we'll see how that goes, but I am doing my 2017 Project Life monthly in a 12 by 12 album, and I printed all of these photos with persnickety prints. Ali Edwards had a discount that was going on this month, and I pretty much printed all of the photos that I would need for my 2017. I think it ended up being around 300 photos, both 3x4 and 4x6. And so far I'm really loving the quality of persnickety prints, so I'm really excited about that. So I am just going to go through what I have for January. As you can see, I'm kind of doing a monthly layout, not really weekly. I don't really have enough information to do a weekly layout, and just doing it backwards like this, I think it would be better just to do it monthly. So here is my first layout, and right now I just have the photos in here. Hopefully this is in frame. Okay, that's gonna have to work because that's about as in frame as I can get it. So as you can see, there's blank spaces where I have to fit in journaling. Some of these pictures in journaling are actually from the Project Life spreads that I did complete, but as I said, they were somewhat half completed, and I didn't like the look of them, so I just completely decided to scrap most of the layouts, keep a few pictures, but all in all, I'm just starting fresh. And then this will be the start of February. I am planning on having some kind of a 6x12 insert where I have all of the journaling for the month, even though I am going to do journaling in the layouts. As you can see, I have spots for that. I tend to like to document everything, which is one of my problems in Project Life. I think that's why it hasn't been working for me these past couple of years, is because I like to put in all of the photos I take and all of the journaling. So I'm hoping that for 2017, since I'm going to have an insert with all the journaling, that will make it a little easier for me to accomplish this project. So I have subscribed to the Ali Edwards story kit for the entirety of 2017. So I have a few digital elements, digital journaling cards that I'm going to cut out and add to these pages. So that's about it. I'm going to film the process of me filling in most of these pages, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm sorry in advance for the quality of the video for this particular part. I'm filming this at night with my overhead light, and obviously the glare and the yellowness of my lights are not the best, but I hope that, that it can still be useful for you. So, alright, here we go. Process video. Alright, so right now I am just cutting out all of the cards that I printed out on my computer, and as I said, these are from the Ali Edwards number story kit, which was from January of 2017. And I really, really love how these turned out. I love the colors. Everything, when you use one kit for all of your pages, everything turns out very cohesive because all the colors match and everything. So I was really happy to be able to use all of these. And as I said before, I am planning on doing a 6x12 journaling page that's just completely journaling. But I also didn't really have enough photos to just do all of my spreads with photos. And I knew that there was some bigger stories that I wanted to tell in a little bit more detail. So I added some journaling spots, some journaling cards, and I'm just going to worry about the 6x12 page after, I guess. I might even just write a little bit of an overview for my 6x12 page and then do a layout that's a little bit more about just one story, kind of like a story kit layout. So something about numbers or something like that. I've been thinking about that as well. Right now, as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put all of my cards. I already had the pictures put into the pocket projectors, mostly because I just wanted to see how everything was going to fit in the pockets, and I originally was thinking that I wasn't going to film this process video because I knew the light was kind of bad and the glare was horrible. So by the time I did decide to film it, I had already put the pictures in the page projectors. But I think this gives you a pretty good idea of my process. So as you can see, some photos have white borders around them and some don't. The ones that do have the white borders around them and a couple embellishments, as you can see right here, that one has a gold, I believe it says Mom. It's a word sticker from Heidi Swap. Those are actually from my original layouts that I did at the beginning of 2017. The ones that don't have the white border are the ones that I printed from Persnickety Prints. And I don't mind that they're kind of interspersed. I know why they are, and this is going to be the only month that has that difference, some with white borders and some that don't. So it's not really that big of a deal to me. Right now, as you can see, I am just spelling out the word January with those Felicity Jane stickers. As I said, those are from the Felicity Jane collection that Sue's Fish designed. I'm not sure what it's called. But those letter stickers are really very pretty, and I thought the white was good because I felt like a black letter sticker would be just too heavy. So that journaling card is about the photo that's next to it, about my daughter and our dog, so I just put their initials, and then used a puffy sticker from that same Sue's Fish collection that had a little heart on it, because I really wanted to, the journaling's all about how my dog and my daughter absolutely adore each other, so I figured a heart was a good idea. And as you can see, I'm not really adding any embellishments to my photos. The ones that I had for my old layouts are embellished a tiny bit, but overall I'm going for really simple because I really want to put together this project quickly because I want to get caught up and everything, so I'm going for simplicity. But overall, I'm really pleased with how it looks. I might make a couple of tweaks, but overall, this is a really good start to my 2017 Project Life album. Alright, so here's pretty much the finished layout for the month of January 2017. As you can see, I just used this picture as a background for the word January, and for that I used an old Felicity Jane alphabet set. I don't remember the name of the collection, but it was the one by Sue's Fish that she did for Felicity Jane. For now, I have this journal card. Sorry about the noise. For now, I have this journal card from the Ali Edwards Stories by the Month kit for January. I'm not sure if this is going to stay there. I don't really have any other journaling to really add, so I might switch that around for a different card, but for right now I like the look of it. Again, the Felicity Jane alphas. This is a card. All of these cards that I had printed out on the computer were from the Numbers story kit, which was from January of 2017. Here is the second page. So the second page, I used some of the pictures that I printed from Persnickety, as well as one or two that I had from my other layout. This is also a card from the Number Story Kit, which is talking about some memories from around this time period that these photos are suggesting. And then this page, again, Number Story Kit, something from one of my old layouts for January, as well as these two also. And then for the last page, I have actually quite a few from my old layouts. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Again, the Number Story Kit. This backing paper is also from the Number Story Kit. I might actually print this as a 4x6 and then add this. I don't really like the way that it's looking right now. But overall, this is what January looks like. And I'm really excited to have 1 month pretty much completed. I don't see myself adding in any more embellishments than what I have. Maybe a little bit on this page, but again, I'm going with simple so that I actually can get all these months completed in a timely fashion. So there is January 2017 completed, and I'm happy that you joined me on this process video, and hopefully I will have some more coming soon. Alright, thank you. Bye.